Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson Up. In this video, we will discuss few questions related to property of convolution. So, our first question is, if x of t input is given e to power minus 2t u of t and impulse response is given as u of t minus 2, then we need to find y of t. So, we all know in LTI system y of t will be convolution of x of t and h of t, or according to property dy by t y of t by dt is equal to x of t convolution dh of t by dt. Now first we will find dy y of t by dt. So this will be equal to x of t convolution what is h of t, that is u of t minus 2. So differentiation of unit step is impulse, right? So you will get delta t minus 2. Now x of t is e to power minus, or we can directly write this as what is the convolution of any signal with impulse. So here this t in this signal, this t in x of t will get replaced by t minus 2. So this will become x of t minus 2. So x of t they have given, and x of t minus 2 will be e to power minus 2 t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. Now we got dy of t by dt, and if we need to find y of t, then it will be the integration of minus infinity to infinity e to power minus 2 t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. Okay. So what will be the actual limit? First we will find. Now how we plot x of tau, that will be like this. Okay. And h of tau, so h of tau is u of t minus 2. Okay, h of t is u of t minus 2. So we plot u of t minus 2 like this, right, from 2. Then what will be the h of minus tau? The signal will get reversed. Okay, and then t minus 2. So we will get h of t minus tau like this. Okay. So when these two signal will get overlapped, if the value of t minus 2 should be greater than 0, then only it is possible. So t minus 2 should be greater than 0, or t should be greater than 2. It means value of t will be 3, 4, 5, 6, any value, but it should be greater than 2. So this limit will get changed. Y of t will become from 2 to some value of t into e to the power minus 2 t minus 2 into dt. Okay. So if we integrate this, you will get e to power minus 2 t minus 2 divided by minus 2 t, limit is from t to 2. Now if we put the value upper limit minus lower limit, you will get e to power minus 2 t minus 2 minus e to the power 0 by minus 2. So you will get 1 minus e to power minus 2 t minus 2 divided by 2 for t is greater than 2. So your output y of t will be 1 minus e to power minus 2 t minus 2 divided by 2 if t is greater than 2. U of t convolution u of t is equal to r of t. If you convolve u of t, you will get r of t, which is equal to t into u of t. Okay. To prove this equation, we can write, suppose y of t is equal to u of t convolution u of t. Then dy of t by dt will be u of t convolution differentiation of unit step, that is impulse. And if you convolve any signal with impulse, that time will get interchanged, time will get replaced. So this will be u of t. Now dy by dt is equal to u of t. So y of t is equal to integration of u of t from minus infinity to some value of t dt, and integration of unit step is ramp. So y of t will be r of t. Now next question, u of t convolution r of t is equal to p of t, which is t square by 2 u of t. Now if y of t is equal to u of t convolution r of t, then dy of t by dt is equal to du of t by dt convolution r of t. Now we all know that differentiation of unit step is impulse. So if you convolve any signal with impulse, this time signal will get replaced. So this will be r of t, and y of t will be integration of minus infinity to some value of t r of t dt, and you will get what is the integration of ramp, that is parabolic function p of t. So what we analyzed here, convolution of two impulse signal will be same. If you convolve two step input, you will get ramp. If you convolve unit step with impulse, you will get unit step. If you convolve u of t with ramp, you will get parabolic. And if you shift u of t with t naught and convolve with u of t minus t1, you will get what is the convolution of u with u, what is the convolution of two step signal, that is r, and this is the time shifting, right? So according to property, this will be t minus t naught minus t1, and u of t minus t naught, if you convolve with r of t minus t1, you will get what is the convolution of u and r, that is unit step, and ramp, that is parabolic, and what will be the time, t minus t naught minus t1. If I see next question, what is the u of convolution of u of t minus 1 with r of t minus 1? So we all know that convolution of unit step and ramp is parabolic, and this will be t minus 1 minus 1. So this will be p of t minus 2, parabolic with t minus 2. If you remember all this equation, then you can directly solve within a second. Now it is given that y of t is equal to x of t convolution of h of t, and g of t is equal to x of 3t convolution of h of 3t. Okay, then we need to find value of a and b such that g of t is equal to a into y of bt. Now according to property, if y of t is the convolution of x of t and h of t, then convolution of x of 3t with h of 3t will be equal to 1 by mod 3 with y of 3t. Now x of 3t convolution of h of 3t is nothing but g of t. So we can write this equation equal to g of t. Now we will compare these two equations. What we will get? We will get a is equal to 1 by mod 3, that is 3, and y 3t, and here they have given y bt. So b will be equal to 3. In next question it is given x of t is equal to u of t t plus 2 minus u of t minus 3, and h of t is equal to e to power minus 4t u of t. We need to find the value of dx of t by dt convolution h of t. Now according to property, what is the differentiation of unit step, that is impulse. So if we differentiate x of t, we will get the equation in the form of impulse signal. So dx of t by dt will be equal to differentiation of u of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 3, right? U of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 3. So if you differentiate, you will get delta t plus 2 minus delta t minus 3, right? And if we convolve, suppose this is g of t. So if we convolve g of t with h of t, you will get delta t plus 2 minus delta t minus 3 convolution with h of t, that is e to power minus 4t u of t. Okay. Now according to distributive property, delta t plus 2 convolution e to power minus 4t u of t minus delta t minus 3 convolution e to power minus 4t u of t. So if you convolve any signal with delta, that value of t in that signal will get replaced by t plus 2. So this will become e to power minus 4 t plus 2 into u of t plus 2 minus, in this also, e to power minus 4 t minus 3 into u of t minus 3. Now output or the value of g of t convolution h of t is y of t will be equal to e to power minus 4 t plus 2 into u of t plus 2 minus e to power minus 4 t minus 3 u of t minus 3. Now in next question we need to convolve these two equation. Okay, so suppose this is x of tau, we change this with x of tau, and this will be h of t minus tau, we change this with t minus tau. So integration will be from minus infinity to infinity y of t into x of tau, that is e to power minus a tau u of tau into e to power minus a t minus tau into u of t minus tau d tau. So this signal will lie between tau is equal to 0 and this will be t minus tau is equal to 0. So tau is equal to t. So the signal will lie between, we can change the limit from 0 to t e to power minus a tau into e to power minus a t minus tau d tau. Sorry, this will be d tau. You will get 0 to t e to power minus a tau into e to power minus a t into e to power minus plus a tau into d tau. Now These two will get cancelled and you will get e to power minus at integration of 0 to t d tau, and you will get e to power minus at into t u of t. Now we got this equation, and if we do with shortcut method, that is e to power minus at u of t convolution of e to power minus at u of t, you will get e to power minus at u of t convolution of u of t, you will get e to power minus at r of t, that is t into u of t. Okay. Similarly, t into e to power minus at u of t convolution e to power minus at u of t, then e to power minus at t into u of t convolution u of t, and e to power minus at, what is t into u of t, that is r of t, ramp into convolution u of t, and e to power minus at, what is the convolution of ramp and unit step, that is parabolic p of t. So this will be what is parabolic in terms of unit step, that is t square by 2 e to power minus at u of t. What if I change this term e to power minus a, it can be minus b in terms of h of t. So what if this is e to power minus at u of t convolved with e to power minus bt u of t. Okay. So we can write this as y of t, which is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. So we will take this equation e to power minus at u of t as x of tau and e to power minus bt u of t as h of tau. Okay. So we put this equation as, see, this will be minus infinity to infinity e to power minus a tau u of tau into e to power minus b t minus tau into u of t minus tau d tau. Now if we equate this with 0, then tau will be equal to 0. If we equate this with 0, then tau will be t. So we can change the limit from 0 to t e to power minus a tau into e to power minus b t minus tau d tau. Now e to power minus bt will come out, and what we'll get from 0 to t e to power minus a tau, or we can write directly b minus a tau d tau. Now e to power minus bt into e to power b minus a divided by b minus a tau divided by b minus a, will put the limit from t to 0. Now y of t e to power minus bt into e to power b minus a t into e to power 0, minus e to the power 0 divided by b minus a, and this will be e to power minus bt into e to power b minus a t by b minus a. So if you multiply this equation with e to the power minus bt, you will get e to power minus bt into e to power bt into e to power minus at minus e to power minus bt b minus a into u of t, because we have taken limit from 0 to t. So I wrote here u of t. So this 2 will get cancelled out, e to power minus bt into e to power bt. So you will get e to power minus at minus e to power minus bt divided by b minus a. U of t. Now similarly, if we convolve e to power at u of t with e to power bt u of t, you will get e to power at minus e to power bt by a minus b. If we convolve u of t plus 3 minus u of t minus 1 with u of t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1, what we will get? See, with the distributive property, this will be u of t plus 3 convolution u of t plus 1 minus u of t minus 1 convolution u of t plus 1 minus u of t plus 3 convolution u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 1 convolution u of t minus 1. Now, what is the convolution of unit step to unit step signal, that is ramp signal? Then this will be u of t plus 3 plus 1, that is plus 4, minus r of t minus 1 plus 1. So this will be t minus r of t plus 3 minus 1. So this will be t plus 2 plus r of t minus 1 minus 1. So this will be t minus